everyone, this is Amol Bhagwat from Cable Labs, and I'm going to talk about the latest DLNA guidelines called VDPath. So VDPath is a new specification and certification effort by DLNA, which allows service providers to offer one centralized set-top box or a gateway to stream the subscription TV content to multiple devices in the consumer's home, such as TVs, laptops, tablets, mobile phones, etc. So here I'm going to show a demonstration of this particular technology. So I have here a laptop that is running VDPath server that is developed by Cable Labs. It's an open source implementation, and being worked on as a full DLNA VDPath compliant server. It is streaming content over the Ethernet to a client device, which is also VDPath client that is developed by AVOX, and that is running also on a PC, which is connected to this television. So you see a guide, HTML5 based guide, developed by Cox Communications, a cable operator company, that is being served from this particular laptop, acting as a server device. Typically, this functionality would be implemented in a set-top box or a gateway device provided by the cable operator or any other service provider. So here you see the guide that is being served from this server is being displayed by this client device, and this is the guide, which is very similar to the guide that Cox will have on running on a set-top box that they will provide to the consumer. So using this client device, the user can maneuver the guide using the keyboard here on the PC. I can navigate the guide just like how I would navigate using a set-top box, and then I can click on a particular piece of content here, and the content will start streaming from the set-top box to the TV. And so again, I can come back to navigate the guide using the keyboard here again. So typically this would be a CE client device, VDPath certified client device, such as TV or a game console or a tablet, using which the consumer will navigate the guide to watch any programming that a consumer would want to enjoy. So this is the demonstration in nutshell. So this is a VDPath server and client demonstration, which we hope to see in actual commercial products such as set-top boxes and CE client devices.